Students of Christ Hospital boarding school in England have been wearing the same uniform since 1556. Microsoft first staff photo from December 7, 1978 along with Bill Gates. When Jeff Bezos started Amazon in 1994, it took more than 50 meetings to raise $1 million from investors. The most common question was, what is the internet? In 1889, the Queen of Italy, Margherita Savoy, ordered the first pizza delivery. Statue of Liberty in Paris in 1886 before oxidation, few days before it was transported to America. This is not a city, it is a cemetery in Iraq and covers nearly 1500 acres and has an estimated 5 million bodies buried underneath. This German man is one of the most tattooed person in the world. His 98% body is covered with tattoos. He even has 17 implants under his skin including throat and fingers. He calls himself Magneto from movie X-Men. 4 astronauts safely came back to Earth in SpaceX Crew Dragon after spending 6 months in ISS. George Washington died in 1799 after doctors drained nearly 40% of his blood in an attempt to cure a sore throat. Meet 14-year-old Maxwell Day from London, who has a world record, can rotate his foot to 157 degrees. Barcelona-based stylist invent new technology that can digitally print images onto your hair. World first YouTube video was uploaded by Javed Karim in April 23, 2005 with the name Me at the Zoo. He is the co-founder of YouTube. The record for heaviest birth is currently held by giantess Anna Betts, who gave birth to a boy weighing 22 pounds 10.2 kg and measuring 28 inches at her home in Seville, Ohio in 1879. Tom Monaghan, the founder of Domino's Pizza, met his wife on his first pizza delivery. In the UK, if you reach your 100th birthday, you get a personal birthday message from the Queen. In 1895, there were only 2 cars in the entire state of Ohio, yet they still ended up crashing into each other. The sketch that Jack drew of Rose wearing the famous necklace in the blockbuster movie Titanic was drawn by director James Cameron. A blue-skinned family lived in Kentucky in the 80s. The Blue Fugates had a condition called methemoglobinemia. In other countries, the mafia makes witnesses disappear so they cannot testify in court. In Colombia, Pablo Escobar made the whole Supreme Court of Colombia disappear. Princess Diana broke the royal rules for her son William by taking part in the Mother's Day running race at his son's school, and she won. Samsung Electronics Vice Chairman Lee Jae-young jailed for 2.5 years over corruption scandal. Sony sold its waterproof Walkman in a bottle of water to prove it was really waterproof. This is the end of the Great Wall of China. Nicole Faria, the first Indian woman to win Miss Earth. Bill Gates is America's biggest farmer and largest farmland owner. A rare picture of Nikola Tesla's funeral on January 12, 1943. His casket is covered with both the flag of USA and Yugoslavia. A man in China built his own dialysis machine to keep himself alive for 13 years. Paul Walker, before his death, stated that he wanted to quit his acting career and dedicate all his time to his daughter named Meadow Walker. The Titanic's fourth funnel was fake. It was added to make the ship look more powerful and symmetrical. Pablo Picasso entered the art school around the age of 10. The Picasso Museum in Barcelona, Spain, including many early works from his childhood. Every year, tourists throw approximately €1.1 million into the Trevi Fountain, Rome. Jerusalem has been destroyed twice, besieged 23 times, attacked 52 times, and captured and recaptured 44 times, and it is one of the oldest cities in the world. This is a temple covered in ash from the Ontek volcanic eruption, Japan. Indonesian man become instant millionaire after meteorite crashes through roof worth $1.7 million or $780 per gram. It is estimated to be 4.5 billion years old. The old name of Thailand is Siam. The British girl named Olivia Farnsworth is the only known case of chromosome 6 deletion. She does not feel hunger, pain, or the need to sleep. Eminem was asleep at home with his daughter after watching cartoons when it was announced he won an Oscar for Love Yourself. A man named Bill Hest injected himself with snake venom for several years in an effort to build up an immunity. He survived 172 snake bites, donated his blood to snakebite victims, and also lived 100 years. This is not a lightning art inside any book but a Canadian passport under UV light. The world's strongest coffee, Death Wish coffee, contains 200% more caffeine than average cup of coffee. It is not recommended for people with heart condition or people who want to sleep at some point in the next 3 days. A man named Goran Kropp from Sweden rode his bicycle to Nepal, climbed Mount Everest without surface and bottled oxygen, then cycled back to Sweden again. This is the San Francisco garter snake, labeled as the most beautiful snake in the world. It is India on the right side and Bhutan on the left side. The border is 699 km long. There is a unique house inside a hill of Wells, Switzerland, which has all the facilities of autumn, summer, winter and spring. In 2015, Cristiano Ronaldo gave his agent a Greek island as a wedding gift. The most expensive bottle of vodka worth $1.3 million was stolen and found empty on a construction site. This McDonald's in New Zealand is an old airplane. The Dutch East India Company from the 17th century is the most valuable company in the human history. It was 8 times more valuable than Apple in today's terms. Hooker lips is a plant that looks like big red lips and it puckers up to attract pollinators such as butterflies. A guy named George Hopkins once parachuted to the top of the Devil's Tower but got stuck there for 6 days because nobody knew how to get him down. Building the pyramids today using modern construction equipment would cost $5 billion and take 2,000 skilled workers working 5 years to construct. There is a diamond mine in Arkansas that is open to public. Visitors can keep whatever the gems they find.